It's actually picking up the reflection of my body. See, I'm waving right here. Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this FOTRIC handheld thermal camera. So this is gonna be a product overview video. So let's get into it. Let me show you how the product looks, the features it has, and then I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So once you open the box, it comes with this manual here. Here is the thermal camera itself. First impressions, I like how well that this product is made. It has this rubber surface right here, so just in case if you drop it, it's going to be protected. It has this nice LED screen right here. You have your manual focus right here. It even has a cover to protect the lens. On top here, you have your USB-C plug, which you could charge this way, and it has a SD card on top. And in this box right here, you have your outlet plug, which is connected to a USB plug right here. You're able to change out the plugs right like so. You just press this button and turn it. You have different options depending on where you live for your plugs. Like that, which is very convenient. It also has a charging base for the battery. You plug it in with the USB-C cord. The way to take out the battery, you just press this button right here on both sides. It slides out, and then this just slides right in, and then it will start charging it. Here's all your different measurements. On top, it shows the max temperature and the minimum temperature in Fahrenheit. And here's your battery levels. The screen is a touch screen, so if you slide it down, you can turn on a flashlight, like so. You can hide it. You can set your brightness levels. Swipe it back up. If you press the middle button here, it brings up the menus. So you have your different parameters, your image mode. You can have infrared, the T-depth fusion, picture-in-picture, and just a digital camera. Next is your ROI. So you could add a spot, add rectangles, add lines, you can clear it. Here's your different palettes. You can set the different colors that you want, depending on what you like the best. Here you can set different measurements. You can do auto measurements or manual measurements. And then your different settings. You can set your temperatures from either, so you have these two temperature ranges. You can set your storage and your save option. Device set, so you can set your overlay, your language, your brightness, your LED flashlight, your screen time off. So you can see I'm pointing the camera at my staircase, and when you focus it, you can see the highest temperature surface is 69.2. The lowest is 58.6. You see, so you can see right in the seams on the right where the top of the staircase meets the bottom, that's where it's the coldest. So I guess air is coming out of there. And on the top is warmer. You can see that I'm pointing this at my sliding door. It's actually picking up the reflection of my body. See, I'm waving right here. And it shows on top the maximum temperature, which is 75, which is on me. And then the minimum, which is 64. And then you can look on top, you can see where the cold air is coming from in my room here. So it's coming from the seams of the door. Even getting the thermal of this pot right here, you can see that is already at a 342 degrees in the minimum. So you're gonna focus that, and you can see how hot the stove is getting. You can see there. You gotta slowly focus so you can get it, the perfect image. So that's my pot boiling water. Okay, so the flames is at 345 and the minimum is like 82. Take a picture, I just press the trigger button. You see the water is running through my faucet. The water is blue, which is at 65. and the faucet itself is 87. When I raise the water to a hot temperature, you can see the difference. The hot temperature is at 104, 105 degrees right now. And I'm pointing it at my outlets so you can see where the heat is coming from the outlet. I'm doing a thermal imaging of my control panel so you can see the different hot zones. Then if I want to capture it, I just press the trigger button to capture that picture. I want to use a laser to see which area I want to target the most. You see right there. Then you could manually focus the area that you want to see. So you can see here the difference. I'm pointing this at my boiler vent compared to the surrounding area. It's registering at 110, 109. The minimal in the surrounding area is around 70. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm gonna post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great handheld thermal camera. I like how well that it's made. I also like that you're able to charge this either with the charging base or you just plug it into the actual unit itself. I also like how you're able to change the different infrared modes on here, and you're able to also change from Fahrenheit to Celsius. And I also like how you're able to take pictures with this and then transport those pictures to your computer. I also like how lightweight it is and how well it works. So this is a great thermal camera to have. Thanks for watching.